Welcome everyone back to 5.0 Robotics machining video. This time we're going to make another part for this machine. So what exactly it is upstand cover. And yeah, upstand is basically this part here, which holds all this upper part up, why it's called upstand, and that's the cover for it. So yeah, today is gonna be quite simple, quick work, how to create something like this. And yeah, of course, glasses on, safe distance, everything okay. Clean the table, take this away, and let's go. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you liked this one. We have made another excellent part for this machine. And if you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Ciao.